Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying both screens are detected and arranged the way you want. This matters because wallpaper spans depend on physical layout. Once done, pick or create one stitched image, size to the total resolution, 3840 x 1080 for two 1920 x 1080 monitors, so pixels align. Make sure aspect ratio and main subject placement account for bezel offsets. You don't want a face split between screens. Now save the file as PNG or high-quality JPG and you go into personalization and pick background. Choose picture and browse to the stitched image you saved. If your system supports a span fit, select it so the image stretches across both displays. If not, try fill and check alignment. Once applied, inspect important elements near the center seam. If the OS does not natively span, install a trusted utility such as Display Fusion or Ultramon. These let you assign one image across monitors and control placement, scaling, and multi-monitor profiles. You finalize by saving the wallpaper profile in your chosen tool or noting the file location for quick changes later. Before calling it done, test with different resolutions and restart the shell if needed. On Windows, restart Explorer. On Mac OS, log out and back in. If the image tiles, crops, or crops unexpectedly, adjust the stitched image DPI and scaling options in the utility. If things still fail, update your GPU drivers and reapply. That often fixes driver-level stretching and detection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.